Welcome to our coverage of the municipal elections, the ZP at Navali, and some of the Panchayat elections. We have been online, we have been on social media from morning. Our reporters have been on the field right from morning covering this. Early morning in certain areas there has been good response, but it has been slow because a lot of people have had to go to work and it's been generally slow. We hope that the voters will come out more during lunchtime. With us, I have a senior politician, Trajan Di Mello from the Congress, as well as Advocate Siddharth Samant from Panjim. Welcome, guys, to our panel. I would like to start with Trajan. Trajan, tell me what is the general. We will go into the actual election that people will be talking and all. So we would like to, before we go on to our reporters live, I would like to know generally about this municipal, in short, in brief, what you would like to say. And especially also the Congress had an issue with the counting being on Monday. Could you just give us a small, in short?
Now see, municipal elections, this time the government, as earlier also, have decided not to have it on party lines.
Okay.
So when you say that it is not in party lines, the parties that are not in the ruling automatically gets a setback.
Okay.
Because you cannot galvanize your cadre. Whereas they being in power, it becomes an advantage for them. And they say, this is our panel.
Okay, whoever comes is our panel.
That is later on.
Okay.
But first they are putting the panel. Like for example in Kukolim, the candidate, the MLA, sitting MLA, who has gone from the Congress into the BJP, who is supposed to spearhead that panel, seems to be on very weak grounds. Because I have seen photographs with Bob Elvis, Dr. Johnson, their workers all together. I have seen photographs. Now, are they all getting together to finish the anti-BJP forces? And at the same time, they claim to be also anti-BJP. And secondly, he says, we have not kept an official panel. This itself is a weakness. Because in Mapsa they had declared, of course now it has been this. In Parne they have declared. I am telling you, Panjim they have declared. I am talking here only. So by saying that we have not kept a panel, you cannot run away from it. It only shows that the BJP could not trust him there to put a panel under him, because there could be other leaders who say that, yeah, so that could be that is their problem. As far as counting is concerned, and you asked and they have made some demand, I think technically and legally, Dottor would be the best person to...
that legal part, but the political side...
No, political, I'll talk first, you have to understand the legal side.
Okay, fine, legally as far as...
Only as far as counting is concerned. Once the notification is issued, particular dates have been fixed. At least, even if you try to read it in consequence of a High Court and a Supreme Court order, now, as far as these 6 municipalities is concerned, the notification stays. So, therefore, counting will happen. As per notification, a date has been fixed on this. Unless a separate notification is issued to shift the counting by, say, complying to whatever the Congress party says or somebody else says. Otherwise, the counting will go as per schedule, that is on Monday.
Yeah, so and now I think probably it's too late to hold any other notification because the voting has already started.
But there is a demand.
No, voting is another thing, counting is another thing.
Demand has been made based on some precedent that when you have the election, all elections should be counted together. What is your opinion on that?
No, normally what happens is when you hold a counting and declare results, that it tends to influence.
Wait, hold this point. This point now, Trayabab, tell me one thing. Would this influence the balance 5 municipalities according to you? Because you're a political man.
It does. Therefore, they don't even allow you to have a what do you call that? Survey, whatever that before the election. But it creates an influence, and definitely a result which is black and white will definitely have an impact.
Even in a municipal election?
Yes, bound to, no? Because advantage is going to the BJP side. And these municipalities that we are fighting now, the present ones.
Today's.
Minus Kukolim.
is strong BJP. Advantage BJP. Let's say
Yeah,
advantage. Is
tremendous advantage BJP.
Okay.
And then definitely, if I don't want to vote against the BJP, I may stay at home. काय नाही फायदा म्हणून करून. The impression is created. There will be an impression created.
What do you say?
First point, whether it influences, yes, it does influences. Our precedents have been, past experiences has been that whenever there is a by-election or election after a major elections are held, the immediate oncoming elections tend to be in the favor of those who have won the earlier election. This has been the constant experience, precedents of the past in our country. So therefore, first question, whether it will have an influence, in my opinion, yes, it will have an influence. Now question is whether it has been deliberately done. Well,
that no will know.
no. I am only on the point that these 6 elections, the other 5 have been postponed by the High Court and Supreme Court order.
Correct.
So therefore, yes, government was guilty, or the present dispensation was guilty of not doing the reservation in accordance with law. So therefore whether those elections counting and results, that blame squarely lies with the State Election Commissioner.
Okay.
It is not that the government is giving you the dates.
Okay.
The notification.
Yeah, but my point is not it. My point is that it was up to the DMA or it was up to the SEC or whatever to make possibly not my point. The Congress and the opposition point is that to shift the results date.
Counting and the results. Yes.
Anyway, just a minute. Are we going to the ground? Is anybody lined up? Any of our reporters? Yeah. Now with us is our reporter Sandeep Kamulkar from Perne. Sandeep, Perne किधर चल
नावडाचे इलेक्शन आता सध्या चालू होता आणि आतापर्यंत 30% वोटिंग झालेले असा. ऑल ओव्हर 30% वोटिंग झालेले असा. आता तुका वार्ड वाईज तुका सांगता टोटल कॅन्डिडेट 37 येतो असा रिंगणान असा. आता तुले 17 लेडीज असा आणि बाकीचे 20 जेंट्स असा. आतापर्यंत टोटल वोटर्स असा ते 4233 टोटल असा. पण तातूंतले आतापर्यंत 1200 आतापर्यंत वोटिंग झालेले असा. म्हणजे अराउंड 30% सुमार झालेले असा. आणि फर्स्ट वॉर्डान 31% झाला. ही आता त्यांची वॉर्ड वाईज नंबर सेकंडान 29.43% झाला. 3 वार्डान 29.46% झाला. 4 वार्डान 31.03% झाला. 5 वार्डान 28.39% झाला. 6 वार्डान 25.31% झाला. 7 वार्डान 26.37% झाला. 8 वार्डान 32% झाला. 9 वार्डान 27% झालेले असा. आपल्यान चडांत चड मतदान जे आतापर्यंत हांवें रिपोर्ट घेतला त्या हेतून वार्ड नंबर 7 चड मॅक्झिमम जाल्लेले आसा. आणि आता तुका वार्डान कशे कितले कॅन्डिडेट रावल्या ताचे सांगता. नंबर 1 4 जाण कॅन्डिडेट आसा. नंबर 2 4 जाण कॅन्डिडेट आसा. नंबर 3 चड 7 आसा. नंबर 4 2 आसा. 1 फायट आसा. 5th जे आसा 5th तातूर 3 जाण आसा. 6th आहा तेतूरय 3 जाण आसा. 7 हे आसा तेतूरय 3 जाण आसा. 8 3 आसा. 9 5 आसा. आणि 10 3 आसा. चड करून हे तेंचेच रिलेटिव्ह असेच सगळे उभे रावले आसा. आणि अरेंजमेंट बरी आसा. कारण कोणाक जायना तेका व्हीलचेअर प्रोवाइड केली वयता. सॅनिटायझर बी सगळे कितें हेचे आसा पळय एसपी आसा ते सगळे मेंटेन केलेले आसा. ऑल ओव्हर अजून तसे पोलीस बंदोबस्त बी बरो आसा तसे व्हडलेशे अजून काय ना आणि सुरळीत चाललेले आहा आतापर्यंत बरे जाल्लेले आहा बरे चलता.
संदीप
हॅलो.
संदीप या संदीप आता जे तुम्ही म्हणला ते आता की पॅनल असा एक बीजेपी बॅक पॅनल असा एक काँग्रेस बॅक पॅनल असा एक इंडिपेंडंट कशे कशे आसा थिंगा मातशे आमकां डिटेल्स दिवंक शकता ऑन दॅट.
हा तोच एक व्हडलो प्रॉब्लेम जाला आता बीजेपी विरुद्ध बीजेपी अशें ते हे चालू आसा सध्या जे जे आदले कॅन्डिडेट आसा तांकां थोड्यांक ड्रॉप केल्लेले आसा ताका लागून तेंच्यांनी आता इंडिपेंडंट कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून ते आपण रावलेले आसा आणि जे जेंका कोणाक तिकेट दिवंक ना ते केल्या उपरांत मागीर ते कोण कोणाक वयतले कशें कितें जातले हें कळपाक खूब कठीण आसा. मागीर हे कंटिन्यू ते करतले काय
पॅनल कोण ना राजन बाब विचारून काँग्रेस पॅनल कोण ना थिंगा काँग्रेस बॅक कोण ना.
काँग्रेस पॅनल अशें तेंच्यांनी अशें करूंक ना पण ते सपोर्टर्स आसा काँग्रेस तांकां सपोर्ट केल्लो आसा अशें पण ते इतलो इफेक्टीव अशें हें दिसना की बाबा आमी आमी काँग्रेसचे बी अशें शिक्को मारलेलो तेंचेर ना कितें आहा बीजेपीचे हे दिसता कितें हे सगळे जण बीजेपीचे म्हणटा.
संदीप कितले कॅन्डिडेटाक सपोर्ट केला काँग्रेसीन.
आता जवळ म्हाका 6-7 कॅन्डिडेट सपोर्ट केलेलो आसा काँग्रेस सपोर्ट काय ना आउट ऑफ 10 फक्त 10 10
पण काँग्रेस
फायनली बीजेपी विरुद्ध बीजेपी हेच चित्र पेडण्यान चालतं.
गॉट अ स्ट्रॉंग काँग्रेस आणि एमजीपी वोटिंग शेअर आसा न्हू ते वोटिंग शेअर हुंय गेले ते कोण लिडर बिडर कोण काय करूंक ना काँग्रेसीन
आसा तेंच्यांनी फक्त तांकां सपोर्ट केला. आता सपोर्ट केला म्हणजे कसो आसा एक दिगिलान दवरता न्ही तशें केला पूण आमी बाबा काँग्रेसचे नाजाल्यार आमी एमजीचे अशें करून तेंच्यांनी सारको डायरेक्ट सपोर्ट दिवंक ना. हे इलेक्शनाच्या टायमार हे जावपाक नासलें. आतां एका सायडीन म्हणपाक लागले कशें ना पार्टी वायज आमी वचना पयले म्हणपाक लागले आमी पार्टी वायज वचना तेका लागून उगी बी रावले कोण जाणा पण अशें कितें दिसता की काँग्रेस एमजीपी अशें बाबा हा ठाम कोण तरी आसा अशें हें ना कॅन्डिडेट कोण ना म्हणजे आपण बाबा अमकोच आसतलो नाजाल्यार आपण असोच करतलो नाजाल्यार आपण आतां बीजेपीचे कशें आसा ते सांगता आमी बीजेपी आणि समजा आतां बीजेपी ना ते नाराज जाल्लेले आहा बीजेपीचेर ते उबे रावलेले आसा ते म्हणटा आमकां बीजेपीचो सपोर्ट ना आमी इंडिपेंडंट कॅन्डिडेट तेका लागून ह्यो बातम्यो अश्यो आसा की बीजेपी विरुद्ध बीजेपी तशें काँग्रेसीक काय ना. आतां अशे पॅनल येता कशी फटाफट जाता की आमी परवाच
very much. Yeah. Now see the
Thank you, Glenn.
issue what we were trying
Yeah.
to talk about is exactly this.
See, we had in a private talk, we were just talking that after the court judgment and the Supreme Court judgment, I think we only sat on that laurels. The judgment has given a beating to the government, but did nothing at the ground level. And we could have actually capitalized on this.
Yeah, but the laurel was what? The laurel was that the courts, the judges have given a good.
That was, we sat on that, I said. We sat on that instead of now going to the people and making a tremendous effort that we are serious players. Now when you hear that Congress is only BJP versus BJP.
2-3 points I want to make. One is politics today is a serious and a professional job. It's a 24/7 job where you have to have a party, you have to have a program and strong cadre to implement it.
Absolutely.
And I'm not critical of any party, but any opposition party or most of the opposition parties, not only here, elsewhere in the country also, are lacking. BJP on this score has been much better and far ahead about the opposition.
I would beg to differ with you on 2-3 parties. I'll tell you, the DMK has been doing a tremendous
except
job.
for 2-3. That's
TMC,
That
is the
regional
tremendous
parties.
job.
I agree with you. I agree. They see, as far as those political, they have a strong regional presence. So
In
only
their
in that.
party,
For example, let's say Mamta Didi's party now it's doing very well work
Very
in the
well.
place.
It's giving a big fight.
From
today.
Now you see AAP in Delhi,
Delhi.
they also have a strong
But
cadre.
in other places, I don't know.
No.
Yeah.
Maybe
So,
like-
we fall back to the same thing: party, program, and strong cadre. People who and do it in a very professional way. Now, unless you inculcate those in your those habits in your party, in long term you are bound to lose.
Hello?
Yeah, Rohit, hi.
Hi, I love you.
This is your first time in electoral politics, so how's the feeling? And
Yeah,
we've seen you working around, going around and all. How do you feel? And what made you get into this politics?
I've actually wanted to get into politics for some time. I felt that now was the right time also. It's a good stepping stone. And yeah, it's mostly it. I went around my area, had a good sense of what the people need, all the requirements. And we hope to address all of that coming years. Sorry.
Chances in this time's election, you and your panel, which is backed by your father.
Our chances, they seem to be pretty good also. As my father said, we wanted all 30 seats. I hope to get all 30 seats also. We have a lot of competition behind him. There's a lot that we need to do also. My dad has a vision of what he wants to accomplish. So we hope that we win all 30 seats and to guarantee that that dream that he has comes to reality.
For you, roaming around on the
Okay,
beat,
it's very
meeting
good.
people, talking
It's
to
very
people.
good. It's been good. It's been actually quite good. I've actually got a sense of what people require and the difficulties they're facing, the areas that we need to improve and everything. And it's been nice. I've actually enjoyed the experience quite a lot. So yeah.
What is the general mood of the people? What is the general mood of the people? How are you being received? What is the
What
general
is the
mood of
general
the
mood of the people? How are you being accepted
it's been-
in the people? Because your father and your
Yeah.
mother have both been in politics for a long time. How are you being accepted
Yeah.
among the people?
It's good. I mean, yeah, the general mood has been good also. I mean, we've helped them quite a bit. We've done a lot of work in their areas also, so they're quite happy with it. So the mood has been overwhelmingly positive also, I'd say.
There no sort of back because your father was in Congress, went to BJP. Nothing like that you have faced among the people.
No, nothing that I've come across also. I mean, we personally, like, irrespective of the party that we've been in, we've still done our best to help everyone who's been living in that area also. So I don't think there's been any enmity in terms of that.
Father has a reputation for getting. Your father has a reputation quite a good reputation for getting the job done, whatever it is. So probably you will have to live up to those what do you say? Those things when you those expectations when you get into the council, Rohit.
Yeah. No, that's why we're here also, right? I mean, we are here to do the work of the people also, so it's kind of expected. I mean, we'd like to carry all that work forward. Yeah.
Best of luck. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Bye. Yeah, hello.
William. I think William, the voting steady throughout this.
No, it's steady. It's not slow like it's steady. We have another candidate, Mr. Joe Martins, also with me here right now. So let's have see what he has to say.
Yeah, and I can see Cecil in the background there.
Yeah, also there. Okay. Good afternoon.
Hi Joe, good afternoon. How are you?
Hi. Good afternoon. Good.
Good afternoon. How's it going, Joe?
So far, so good. Positive way. People are coming out. You can see the change in people. They are voting for a change.
How did you decide to
very
get
happy with
into
that.
actual politics? You've been there with the Montserrat family, but how have you decided to get into plunge into politics yourself, Joe?
Because I am born here in this world, we wanted to keep someone else, but they were all getting scared of the Musara. So I said, let me contest myself to show the power.
Yeah, till the last they were all confused whether I would back out. But no way I could back out. I kept my word with the people, so they were very happy. They said they were in fact saluting me for keeping the fight on. And they said
How
at
was
least
your
I got a
response?
name to the face.
How was your response getting
Response
into the
to-
field among the
response-
people generally?
I had gone to door-to-door campaigning. I have seen those wards. I have seen those other side of Karangal where all the slums are there in next opposite the petrol pump and all. They are really in a terrible state. And especially it is surprising, they are all on acquired land. And these have become like vote bankers. All on acquired land. So, and I don't know how they get electricity connection, house connection, all the stuff. But they all
Joe,
got
I have a
land.
question for you.
Yes, sir.
Joe, what do you think are the major problems faced by your ward and what are your solutions over it?
Major
What are the
problems is
problems?
internal roads are not being done up, gutters are not being kept clean, garbage all over the place. People are not getting water. There's shortage of water. People just get about 1 hour water. My
How will you solve it? How will
MLA
you,
for last 20 years.
what will you do over it? What's your program?
Right, my program right now, I told them at least I can supply them tanker water for daily consumption to start with it. Till I go to the route and then do their homework. I can promise them right now. I said right now I can give them tanker water to satisfy their urge. So they were happy. At least I'm giving them some water to fill their
So,
urge.
some,
So with this promise, they were happy. Plus, I repaired some street lights which they have neglected. So I went to the route thing and then repaired their street lights. So people were happy. They said, without being the ward member, I had repaired their lights and all. So there is positive this. You can do these things without even becoming a ward member. So why not have a smile on people's face?
Alright. How confident are you of
And
your
the
victory?
total-
How
I'm
confident are
positive
you
of
of
my
your
victory.
victory?
I'm very confident I'm positive of my victory.
Joe. Now,
thank
William,
you.
can
Thank you.
yeah, thanks, Joe. Can we talk to Cecil for a moment? William,
Yeah,
can we
yeah,
talk to
Cecil.
Cecil for a moment?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi, Cecil.
Hi.
Yeah, Cecil, how involved have you been in this election?
Ward number 1, 2, 3, 4, I've been campaigning with all of them because this has been one section where I have been fighting for a very long time, and this all falls under Talegaon constituency. So day in and day out, we've seen that elected representatives, even till today, Jennifer Space is not being seen, nor has she been down campaigning for her own son. She's not been seen around, she's not been there. So this is our elected representative. So it's sad to see that, we have to come down to this level where we have to win. And all that we can hope for that people bring in the change. And it's left up to the people. Opposition is there. We are not allowing people to just win, come out, we are there as opposition. But everything is left up to people's hands. A lot of money has been distributed already in a lot of wards. We've seen what is happening. Yesterday also the electricity went out right from Donapal area right up to Talegaon end. How come? It has never gone off. And suddenly around 9:30 in the night for around 10-15 minutes. And when we call up the electricity department, they said the electricity is stripped. So a lot of things can happen. Flying squads not answering calls. So where they are, one flying squad for how many candidates? I really don't know. But wishing everyone all the best, and especially for all the CCP people who are going to be coming out to vote for a change.
One question I wanted to ask you now. This time, y'all are in your V Pondikas the what do you say, that Gathbandhan is along with the Congress and variety of this. Now, with the assembly elections coming up, then what will be the AAP strategy?
We'll sense that people are wanting right now with the CCP election because people are wanting a change or they are still out with, the 2000 rupees that they've got or the money, the alcohol, the sorrow chicken, whatever we say that people want. So we will see. People want a change, then there's still time for that. But we need really strong candidates who are really going to be fighting on ground level for the people because now it's time to save our Goa. We can see presently all our present elected representative ministers how land grabbing is done. I'll tell you now in Talegaon. where fields are being taken and destroyed day in and day out. And it's a very sad situation that our elected representatives don't have love for Mother Nature. They don't respect, for the generations to come, and all they can think is for their present pockets. So that's why we common people have to come down and step down. I mean, they are financially settled out. They can stand, fight election, but do work for the people, no? 20 years in power is not a joke. I mean, but yet we can see Taligaon for what it was. I can only hear Taligaon stories. I mean, I'm 10 years that I'm residing in Taligaon. I've seen Taligaon destroyed in the last 10 years. And I feel sorry because I was a voter once. I voted for Jennifer Montserrat. And seeing the present situation right now, and I have the right to voice out. If I don't like what my candidate has done, I have the right to voice out. And now also I've been fighting as opposition on ground level. And let's hope for the best. It's all in people's hands.
Thanks, Cecil, and best of luck for you and your candidates.
Thank you. Yeah, thanks for the interview.
Thanks.
We won't take us. Oh God. Bye.
William. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, William. Now let's go to Kushoran, to our reporter Prahar. Is he there? We are looking for Kushoran. Yes. Yeah. Okay. While we get connected now, see, this is as now.
No. See
this just one little bit of thing I would like to add. The leader of this V. Ponjekar is I think twice Congress candidate of Panjim, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Twice, Mata Surendra.
Yes.
Twice, no? My issue is with Congress. See, I'm not blaming you. You are part.
I am a part. I accept the
but
blame.
You're the face. You're in many ways, to many of us, you're the face for what Congress stood for. I don't know now what is the sin that let Dotor comment. I'll not like to comment. But what was there for Congress to put up a panel in Panjim? What was there? Now, leader of opposition has put up his panel in Margao. But leader of opposition of Margao, he is of leader of opposition of Goa.
Now, let me be. I'm a congressman.
Yeah, you are the face of the Congress.
And I am with you on this. I have no other choice but to be with you. He does not even look at Margao municipality.
He is concentrating in Margao. He says he is not going to.
1 minute. Again, you are messing it up by saying he is looking at Margao. He is not looking at Margao. He is looking. Margao municipality consists of Margao and Fatorda.
Oh, sorry. Yes, I beg. I sorry.
And there he cannot look after those two constituencies.
So he is looking after Margao and Fatorda. Who is looking after?
Which he has decided to sell it now only, no?
Who
I would almost say
that someone is looking after Fatorda.
No, the question is, see, it becomes a very, Congress party takes a decision that we will have no alliance with the Goa Forward Party. Then you say, now it is not on party lines, but I will have personal this with him. People of Marga are not fools, when Goans are not fools here. Whom are you trying to fool? The people of this? Bible further, the people become members of the Congress party. And even if some members are becoming, it could be a fraud. I don't believe that. When you know that you are going to join hands, you are going to give that on the platter.
To ticket to go forward, you're talking about.
To go forward. Okay. You are an opposition leader, you are just not a worker to say that it is not on party line, therefore I will join hands. What nonsense is going on? This is the, I said, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Go ahead.
Therefore, I said, we sat on our laurels. We should have made a big, capitalize on this.
Yes, sir. What an opportunity. God said.
But we prefer to be on the bites, talk on legalities. There is a precedent that all the counties should be held together, already giving an impression that you are afraid that the results will affect. Come what may, you are already in the battle. Now let me also make this correction. In my opinion, Dr. can correct me. Are you trying to fool the people of Goa that there is a precedent that all counties should be taken place together? That happens when the notification of all elections are on. There is a snap in the election in the notification, and we don't know
when the election.
Whether they will have it, not have it, we don't know.
The date outside the final.
1 minute, your Supreme Court date you are talking about.
Yeah.
So it will happen.
1 minute.
It will happen, but when?
Please, again, Doctor, let me finish. You it will happen. Because Supreme Court has said it should be on 30th, They can also move the Supreme Court saying the assembly session is there, this is there, that is there, and we are having it in May. Then what happens?
Okay.
Because we have seen it.
Yeah.
I am giving you an example.
Yeah.
We have seen in the case of the speaker.
Yeah.
He said in the what happened? Now, so this thing, I am not saying they are going to throw the Supreme Court judgment in the corner.
Nobody is going to do
But
that.
with the assembly session on,
Yeah, it's valid.
you have got a point to say, yes, we are holding those elections in May.
Okay.
What
Yeah.
the heavens don't fall down.
Yeah, now you, as a Goan, how would you see this? Now the BJP has put panels everywhere. You look at Panjim only. Panels are there.
Everywhere.
As far as opposition is concerned, squarely blame.
Only Margao.
That's what I'm
Only
saying.
Margao panel has been put
Squarely-
in alliance with.
Different political equation which suits that particular person who intends to contest in Margao constituency.
Yeah, one
So-
second. Just give me a minute. Yes? Prahar, yeah. Prahar. Yeah, Prahar, give us a background in Kurchore, please, before giving it to Nilesh. Yeah, Prahar, give us a general situation of Kurchore before giving it to Nilesh.
कुडचड्यार सद्याक बरे भशेन इलेक्शन चालू आसा, वोटिंग चालू आसा. टोटल 15 वार्डाचें इलेक्शन हें आनी हातूंत भितर आतां पर्यंत 25 to 30% इलेक्शन वोटिंग स्लोली आसा, तरी फास्ट ना. खंयच कसलीच म्हळ्यार अशें कसलीच वायट गोश्ट जावना अजून तरी. सकाळच्यान निलेश काब्राल जे एमएलए आसा आनी रुजवेंद्र आसा सकाळच्यान ते भोंवत आसा. पुलीस बंदोबस्त बरो आसा. बाकीचे डेप्युटी कलेक्टर जायबड तोय रावंड चालू आसा. पूण ताणें सांगलां की सगळे वटेन खंय शांततेन इलेक्शन चालू आसा. आनी आज हे सर्वे करपाक निलेश काब्राल आमी तांचे कडेन
So far, so good. 15 candidates to be selected by the people of Kuchare, and I am 100% sure that we as BJP will do the panel and we will help people in doing good work in Kuchare. That is the motto behind the elections. And I can strongly say that we will have a ruling panel of BJP with us and do good work for Kuchare.
Nilesh Babu, I wanted to ask you one question. There was a discussion here just before you joined in. Now, is there a Congress panel in Kurchore? Congress-backed panel in Kurchore?
God knows, I don't know. Today it is only Nilesh Kamal and BJP. They have all come together, whether it is in all the parties, and they are made on a panel called Sobhiman. And that Sobhiman could not put candidates on all 15 wards. This is the state today. I don't blame anybody. But all parties have come together, whether it is Goa, Forward, whether it is Congress, whether it is AAP, whether you name the party, opposition has come together to form that panel. And after doing so, they could not put 15 people against the people of BJP.
So you don't think that the panel, whatever, is it so weak? Is the Congress so weak in Kurchore, Nilesh Babu?
I don't know who's Congress. I'm not saying everybody, I don't know who's Congress is, because the president of the Congress party in Kuchare last time was not in the Congress party. He had supported different party, and today he made the Congress party president of Kuchare. So you can imagine what is the state of these people. What else to say about this? 3 years back, he was against the Congress MLA who was MLA here, according to Congress leadership. He worked against them, he openly supported anti-Congress, he made the president of Congress. So you can imagine what is the state of Congress.
Nilesh Babu, how confident are you of your this time about this? And now again it is going to go back to the assembly. How confident are you about your the panel and winning and all that?
Confidence does not come from me. Confidence comes from the people of my constituency. And I am always indebted to them. I always tell them that you can come to me whenever there are difficulties. I am accessible to them. Whatever problems they have. Here and there will be elements which try to disrupt the relationship between me and the people. But I am confident that BJP and Nilesh Kamal along with the ruling council will be forming and doing good for the people of Kuchare. That is only the motto.
Nilesh, I have a question for you. Nilesh Babu.
Yeah, tell me. Ask me.
If your council is voted to power, what would be 3 things that you promise to the people of your constituency or people of your municipal council, that I would bring on these 3 things, some change, these 3 change?
So, I see what will happen is we want to shift to a new administrative building of the municipality, because the existing municipality building is a very small area. The population has increased. I mean, the first thing is we will start building and complete the council building, so that we can have a spacious building that is immediately. That is one. Secondly, we intend to put footpaths on all the roads which are possible where there is a width, so that people can walk comfortably, which we have done in the past and still we yet to do. We want to do more in the town of Kuchar. That is the second thing. Third is, along with the council, we want to put a new modern fish market, which is very important because the existing one is very bad, and that is already in the pipeline. So that is the third big project. We want to put a fish market, meat market, and a vegetable market in one place, and a very big project for the register. These are the main 3 things which we want to do in the next 5 years.
Yeah. Nilesh Babu, Vitas also is your counterpart, not counterpart, your counterpart from the Congress, Rajan Babu. Would you like to say something to Rajan regarding Rajan from the Congress? Would you like to say something about the situation of the Congress in Kuchar?
Will you repeat the question, Mr. Glenn? I cannot hear you.
Yeah, Nilesh Babu, with me also is Rajan from the Congress. Would you like to say something about the situation of the Congress in Kuchar?
Rajan himself knows the situation. He is in the Congress party. No, I don't know to tell him. He knows what is the situation of Congress in Kuchar. I don't know.
I have one question to Nilesh Babu. Nilesh Babu. Nilesh Babu.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
You just now said 3 things you have in mind to do. Can you say did not happen during your term as MLA, 2 terms now?
No, it is happening. See, it is not happened now. It is happening. Land see, today I became MLA in 2012, and with the new Congress which is the center that done the new acquisition policy of land, it has become very difficult to do development by taking consent terms of land. That only has taken me 4 years to do consent term, because see, we are talking to people and taking the land then with the consent terms. We have taken land for sewage treatment plant. We have taken land for these projects. So that has taken time. It is not because I could not do. See, land was not available and we have taken land on consent terms. So now land is in place and we are sure that remaining things will be able to focus.
Yeah. Thanks, Nilesh Babu. Best of luck for the election. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
What I was saying was that before we went to Nilesh, anyway, he just underlined what we were just saying. See, he's talking about Kuchar.
No, I am saying it, therefore we sat on our laurels, that we, instead of capitalizing, we did nothing. We have an opposition leader who has been an ex-chief minister, who is experienced in what?
Very experienced legislator. He's been a minister. He's been everything.
If he was very experienced, he would have not gone along asking the governor for having the counting on the same day. If he had some experience, you are making a fool of yourself. Every time if you are just trying to come to the TV and say that we are making these demands and exerting more fear among the cadres, whatever is there, what experience are you talking about? Don't put words in my mouth. You see, my question is...
That was not my intention.
No, therefore, but I am getting tempted. But I would like, because my question is that there is some responsibility and accountability.
Absolutely.
You are dreaming of being a chief minister. How?
You have to win, no?
Then, and your side constituency you are not afraid of. The whole... See, I would have again you're putting words in my mouth. Anyway, let us not get into that. My question is, we have failed to capitalize, and results will show it.
2-3 quick points. पहिली गोष्ट म्हणजे
before we go into a small break.
Correct. पहिली गोष्ट म्हणजे सेंटराक सुद्दां जर काँग्रेस पयली जाल्यार इट डज नॉट इन्स्पायर कॉन्फिडन्स ऑर प्रॉमिसिंग दिसना. So at the center itself, if the party is weak, then that percolates down to the grassroots workers, because that energy, zeal, gist is not
that I
there.
have a point on that. We'll cut back to that a little later. Yeah. Okay.
I will respond to this, sir.
Yeah. Wait. We'll get back. We'll just take. We'll go back to Margaon. Yeah, with us is our reporter from Naveli. There is a ZP polls going on, and this is one of the places probably that Congress is strong. Yeah, Naveli, and with us is Sandeep Tuenkar and Pratima Kutino, the Congress ZP candidate. Yeah, Tuenkar, can you all hear me? Can you hear me?
Hello. Tracking.
Yeah, Pratima, can you hear me?
You could hear? Yeah, your voice is cracking, please. Hello? Hello?
Can you hear me, Pratima?
Yeah, your
Yeah,
voice is
Pratima, can you hear me? Yeah, Pratima. Now,
Yeah, I can hear you now.
yeah, Pratima, your election has been marred with controversy even up to last night. So tell me, what is the status? Naveli?
She can't hear.
Actually, I didn't expect that elections to be in such a mucky way. You know, if you go to see even last night, till late night, the BJP leaders, especially the deputy CM, was there in Mandop. So, from CM to deputy CMs, BJP leaders, even the B team, as I call Churchill, all have been working till now. There's a lot of pressure put on the people. There's a lot of calls they are getting. They have come to such an extent. Many people, if you don't want to vote for the Kamal, then you can say at home or don't want for voting. I'm getting this feedback. But at the same time, I would like to tell you, I want to judge the I want to see the people. I want to see the work what I've done, what people do, and the people I've had today. But I'm expecting my voters, especially from Telauin, please don't to the road, please come out. There is activity like in Telauin, I think like in Jalbana, Nagpur, there's good voting going on. In Dongori also, I'm happy with the voting. Rajile also, I'm happy. But people from Kolde, people from Telauin, people from Satora, and really come out. Because it's almost, we say 12:30. You don't have time. Don't see the sun. I can understand. Our foreign water naka bore kevun yapi. Democratic right. Magi rodon paidona. Cylinder maral dalo right to pila. Magi rodon paidona. First time asa. Me kuta dai mandate yupa. So I'm appealing to all my voters. The Telauin, Naveli, Ramapur, Singh, Chatra people, please come out and see that you will vote first. Keep voting as strategy. Eating food, having bearing sun for some time, it's not an issue. But they don't try for 5 years. So please come out and vote. And you know,
yeah, but Pratima, just a second. Pratima, yeah. Now, what? Maybe this is a experience for you when you want to stand for assembly elections, because assembly elections are going to be like this only. Don't you think this is an experience for you? Teaching, learning around, teaching around.
No.
No?
No. What has happened, Glenn? I tell you. Tomorrow suppose it's the assembly or even the MC, I can get through because this is the last minute, just 2 weeks time. 2 weeks before they are like, just in the interest of party, I thought of contesting. But then also I feel my work should matter to people and my work will matter. But when you see, just telling me that even SLC says this. But let me tell you, your 2016 Naveli is the only election taking place. It's not that every assembly makes a taking place. So all the purpose of BJP and the BJP team
Virat Sangapur, Sanjay Agata,
Oh, I can't
so
remember.
all
Okay.
targeted become Pratima. But still, I
She's
think
saying.
I have faith in the people, that people, and I report the faith in people, people will give mandate, people will vote. And this is not for any party at all. They have to think that
She sounded
what
nervous.
Pratima is done and for whom Pratima is suffering
Pretty
and
even
for
the
whom
human
Pratima has got
voting.
cases today. So I think people should give the mandate for the hard work I done.
Yeah, but what are your chances? What do you feel? What do you feel?
I got
After all this, what do you feel? Are you confident?
I think pretty much. I am really telling you, I'm not overconfident, but I have got that confidence. I don't know, something is telling me that all is well, Pratima, all is well. You'll win.
Pratima, one question for you.
Yeah, Pratima, one of our panelists wants to ask you a question.
Yeah.
Advocate Sam. Yeah.
Pratima, see, assuming you are winning, how confident are you to make a difference? Because the BJP has already formed their panel.
ZP.
As far as ZP is concerned, BJP is already have their government in place or majority in place. How confident are you to make a difference, and in which way you are going to make a difference? Whatever you have in mind.
Glenn, the way you are saying, what I have got in mind if I get elected, okay. Let me tell you, and you are saying that when ZP is in power, the BJP has got, they are in power. Let me tell you, BJP being power, now importing leaders from Congress and telling that for development there is something they from the government. How doing the BJP government? What development they have done? अरे साधो कांदो आणि साखर तुमका सवाय दिवपाक जायना लोकांक आणि ZP, let me tell you, ZP, now they were only in power, no? Now last 2-3 years they are in power. What they have done? Why people are crying and why people are complaining? What about the street lights? What about the open spaces? Go to don't go far. Reporters are here. Just go to Telam in Delvana and see the park in a pathetic condition. The Burgan had got the slides. So these people being in power they are failed. So when I will go there, as I used to protesting on the road, and used to getting and getting my work done, I will see that even if they are powerful, they are 50, and there will be one Pratima is opposition, I educate, I protest with my people and get the things done. Which is the apostate Makasan. That will make a difference. And that
Thank
is
you,
the reason
Pratima.
I'm here.
Yeah. Thank you, Pratima, and the best of luck for your elections. We will be in touch. Thank you, Pratima. Best of luck.
I tell you, we will pray for you.
You were talking, they're saying that the support issue, in fact, we've done a couple of stories. The support issue also, even to a ZP candidate, your leader of opposition and everything came only almost in the last week. Before that, nobody was there. So this is something that has to be looked at, because ultimately, see, this was supposed to be from what your central leader, prestige. Supposed to
See,
be a prestige.
these all things.
I am still of the opinion, honestly, that Pratima will win.
That
No,
means
that's a different
that is a
issue.
different
Whether who
matter
will
at
win, who
all.
will lose, that we can see.
We are not getting into
But
that.
at least strategy, whom we will be in alliance with, what our brochure will say, what we are going to promise, in what manner we are going to campaign, what will be our focus area, what will be our target area, what will be our game plan. Absolutely nothing is on the place, and this squarely is the responsibility of the leadership. See, the problem is not with the cadre. If they blow enough of lie, cadre will be generated.
Yes.
I see some problems, serious problems with the leadership of the opposition. There lies the problem. If that is corrected, if you give party in the hands of the right people, they still have something to contribute.
But I would like to make one point, sir, before we go to Panjim and Surendra Phurtad is on the line. Congressman, I think. Anyway, that we'll discuss later. So even at the central level, now today there are 5 elections, right? 4 or 5, Assam, TMC, 4, 5, in which the Congress has got a chance in a couple. Plus it can be in alliance with, and it can help Mamta Di to fight the BJP in Bengal. But from what I see, there is no president as yet. For the past, I don't know how long. The Congress president in Panjim is resigned twice. and the I would not like to use Modi's word, but for the person who's in charge, this, yeah, yeah, he is happier going for a swim and doing push-ups with some student. He's the head of the party with 50 plus so many seats in the this. He's, but I don't understand. Don't you think that thing should be? See, now probably in the last week, 10 days at least, now the discussion has been started. But before that, there was nothing. Okay. Anyway, is Surendra online? Yeah, William.
Right now in the ward number 6, where Mr. Surendra Puttar, the conveyor of V. Ponjekar, has been contesting. We are here with him. We have seen a lot of people coming to him for the sympathy votes, I think. Let's see what he has to say on this. Hello? Yeah. Yeah, one second. One second.
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Yeah, Surendra, welcome to our channel. For the past twice we had called you, but you were busy in your electioneering and also at last today, at least on voting day, you have come to welcome. So tell us, what is the situation in your ward? What is the scene?
The trend is very good. People of Punjab are not speaking, but they will show it in the AVM machine. By Monday, will come to know. There's a lot of undercurrent.
This grouping that you have got together will put up a good fight to
Yes.
BJP Babusha panel.
Because only if all forces join together, you can be a formidable force.
Okay.
And if the people of Punjab are smart enough and show their wind of V. Ponjekar, this wind will go throughout Goa. In every city, Margao, Mapsa, Kushore, Kepe, it will be there.
Okay. So, but possibly, I agree with you as far as the municipality is concerned. But in the assembly, don't you think that the various parts of this will shift and go their individual ways? Then this whole exercise of getting people together would be of.
My friend is the Panjimites show their strength as V. Ponjekar. I am confident that this wind will go in every city and taluka of Goa. And something new might emerge.
Okay. Would you like to?
This is all wishful thing that you think something new will emerge. Right now, if you see do you agree with this fact that right now on the ground you see that there are not even candidates put in the place? Forget about victory. Even the Congress has not put candidates, or opposition has not even put candidates.
No, what has happened is we all have, whether it's good BJP leaders, AAP leaders, Congress leaders, we all, since it's not a border party line, we all have come together and we have fielded 30 candidates. We have supported around 4 to 5 independents.
Okay.
And I want to tell you that in our panel there are around 4 lawyers, 2 engineers, 1 teacher, RTI activist, myself. So many other good people are there. Got a point.
What is your vision? Let's say your panel gets majority. What's your vision? What are 3 or 5 things? Choose whatever you want. 3 or 5 things you would do in the next 5 years, which would really means you will be remembered for doing these 3.
In Panjim.
In Panjim. What is your vision for Panjim?
Our vision for Panjim is we have promised in our manifesto that house tax will be reduced to 50%. You see, because during this COVID period, people suffered a lot. Small business people had to close down their shutters. You see, so we want to help small business. See, there are
From where the money is going to come?
my friend, there are a lot of pilferage in CCB, which we know about it, we will tackle from there. Then every year we get 14 Finance Commission, now it will be 15 Finance Commission, we get funds. So those funds will be utilized in a proper way.
All right. Okay. 5 things. House tax is one thing. We asked you for 3 or 5 things.
What else you think?
What else you think other than house?
Needs to be done.
He said house tax, PayPal, be abolished for people of Panjim. We will create an app on the windscreen of every car with municipal Panjim voters. If they go, they will not have to pay. But people from outside Panjim who come will have to pay.
Anything else?
And then we have got a lot of other things which my manifesto I will send with your chief reporter. You will come to know what we have planned. It's 6 to 7 good points.
Yeah, thanks Suraj Babu, and best of luck for your election. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay, sorry, before the interruption.
See, what Dutur said, 2 things. On the local level and the central level.
Yeah, 5 minutes and we'll take a break. Yeah.
On the local level, he said there is no strategy. The thing seems to be there. I will not differ because that's become now is naked to the public eye. That strategy have not been discussed. I don't think strategy have been forget the cadre, among the top leaders it has not been discussed. This is my feeling the way it is going haywire. There is no synchronizing of any.
Coordination
Kaina. Now, just now Pratima has come out openly, saying that where are the leaders? They should have been there.
She's talking about Churchill also. I don't know what's that confusion in Navali about Churchill.
No, Churchill is working against her.
Against, yeah.
Okay, Churchill, that he will do his part. What about our leaders? Just come one day, show their face and then they go away. And they are speaking to 50 people. You see, they can't even manage to get a crowd. What I have seen that they are not showing the crowd, they are only showing the speakers. Most of the channels when I saw it. However, but coming to the central level, I would like to ask you one question. It is very easy to point out that this is not proper. Show me one leader in the whole of India from all the opposition who is moving throughout the length and breadth of the country. If the people don't vote for you, is another part of the story.
That's okay.
But the man who's taking him head on, the Prime Minister, without mincing words, is one person is Rahul Gandhi. Okay. And therefore you cannot say that the cadre, in fact, what you said, push-ups and is doing, yes, the youth are getting attracted. That here is a young character who is brilliant in his knowledge, who is having debates with top professors of foreign colleges, where definitely our Prime Minister may be doing his own side of the story. Okay? But he cannot match the intellectual to discuss in a debate with Rahul Gandhi.
Then why is it that things are not being put
No, that I'm coming back to the point. I'm coming back. As I said,
we granted, accepted.
Yeah, okay. as I said, that there is a trust deficit in the minds of the people. I'm coming back to Goa. When looteras come together, you expect people, yes, this side is looting the present, and who are getting together the past. So, there is a trust deficit, as I said. Similarly, in all India, see the bloody force that is being used. Today, one lady, Mamata, whatever it is, but there also you will say, see, Congress has taken a stand. We will fight it. Here in Marga and Father, they want to come together. What a nonsense. When many people believe that in Bengal, we should have gone with the TMC. Many people believe. But the party has taken a stand.
Okay.
And we can't take a stand in small Goa. So who is to be blamed? How do you say that from top when you, the bottom leaders are do any khichdi, but I want to come to power. People are not going to trust us. I think our president is on record to say that there is a trust deficit and we have to regain the trust of the people. How do you regain the trust of the people? By doing the chicanery? No. Something has to come down very heavily at the local level. I'm talking about. Everybody says it is common knowledge. Is there any strategy? Now the candidate has spoken. The Jilla, which is a very prestigious.
For Congress, it's very prestigious.
She will win, according to me. According to me, she will win.
Yeah,
but
she
that
might. Yes.
she will win. But the question is, she's not going to win because of the leaders. She has put her own effort so long. She is also a face of the Congress party.
Okay, very strong face, yes.
She is very strong face. And God forbid, if something reverse takes place, who will be blamed?
She will be blamed.
No, she will not be blamed. I will not blame her.
Hello.
I will not blame her.
Hello.
Then you may see my reaction afterwards. Let the results come out. The question I am trying to make is, there's no strategy. Nobody, what is happening, nobody knows. Why you are taking that decision, nobody knows.
Yeah.
Why you have put that candidate, nobody knows.
Doctor, what you have to add, subtract to this before we bring in a reporter from
as far as the central leadership of Congress is concerned, well, I always say the taste of the pudding is in eating. See, if he is doing so many rounds, if he is holding so much of intellectual debates, if he is trying to work, where are the results? Now
results are not in his hands.
Now
please, one minute. Doesn't mean to say, let me tell you, I have also got a lot of experience in this electoral politics.
Yes, lots, yes. We know.
Sorry to say, duffers get elected and intelligent people do not.
But then,
Doctor, this is a point.
1 minute. That doesn't mean that you are something great. No. The elected person,
Congress
elections of our Indian electoral system does not prove to be an intelligent. 1 minute.
Ultimately works.
One minute. Yeah, it works. It works though.
Okay.
When it works with thieves, it works with thieves. What else do you do?
It works.
See, the question is, we have to also go down back to the society. You are not going to get somebody fallen from heaven. If today we talk about corruption, then it is coming from the bottom, not from the top. Please let us be very clear. Go to any government offices. You can't get a file. Give 500 rupees. In half an hour the file comes out. But I am not saying this is happening only in this route.
Yeah.
This has become a parampara.
Okay.
And people go there with a set of mind that they will have to give something and get that thing. At least place the file.
Yeah, okay.
Getting the order passes another hafta.
Let's just get into have we got a reporter from Panjim online? Yes.
Shekhar Digwegar from ward number 23.
Okay, now what is the situation in voting and what is the voting situation? What is the status?
In the morning you see the crowd was not much, but then slowly सूरज वाढत होता तसं लोकांची गर्दी तिथं वाढत होतं आणि मला दिसतं लोक बाहेर करतात लोकांची जागा गर्दी जातात आणि आता मतदान खातीर येतात लोक बाहेर करतात.
Shekhar Bab, welcome to our channel. Sang, how is your campaigning? How is your this आमका details देऊ शकता Shekhar Bab? How confident you are?
Campaigning okay, problem na, just 3 rounds I have visited house to house. Now it is going slowly, but almost I think till 50% will be over.
50%, 50% for municipality, CCP is very good, no?
It's good. See, municipalities and panchayats, no?
It's high.
High, yeah. 50% Shekhar Bab, 50% पासून जायचं 1% बरे आले नो voting.
Almost माझं वड आसा पळय almost एक पर्यंत every election 50% cover करता. तसो म्हाका अंदाज की 80% voting जातले म्हणून till 5.
Okay. आणि किती how are you feeling? How किती तुमची confident आसा? किती आसा? What is your this thing about the whole election?
full
Yeah,
confidence
Sana-
राहा की हांव जिखतलो प्रॉब्लम नासलें ना नो डाउट
कितें म्हणटा हॅलो
आं
शेखर बाब कितें म्हणटा
फुल कॉन्फिडन्स आसा जिखतलो म्हणून तितून कांय दुबाव ना
Ah, ओके आणि तुमचे पॅनल व्हॉट डू थिंक ओवरऑल
पॅनल आमी मोस्टली मॅक्झिमम सीट काडटले असो अंदाज आहा
ओके यू आर कॉन्फिडंट ऑफ दॅट
या आय एम फुल कॉन्फिडन्स
Yeah, okay. Before we continue, let us go in for a short break.